taking out the garbage, and there's literally a $50 bill frozen to the driveway. What the hell? All right, let's try this. Straight edge doesn't quite go all the way, but we've got some angle iron in here as a guide, so we can slide this further along down afterwards. What we're gonna do is got the jigsaw lined up here. We run it all the way along. Have to move the guide once, unfortunately, but that should give us 3/4 inches off the entire skeleton, and then we'll copy that onto the other one over there. Damn, jigsaw's got a bendy blade. That wasn't a good idea. All right, router it is. All right, I screwed up pretty good here. Let me show you this. I didn't sand down these pocket holes, and I think what happened was while running the trim, flush trim bit along here with the router, I think I bumped over the holes, kind of angled the bit a little. It must have felt like it kind of gripped and just kind of ripped sideways real quick on me, and dug into the profile here. So yeah, that's something to watch out for. That was kind of a stupid move, and now I have to figure out how to fix this, or maybe I gotta make a whole new sidewall. We'll see. Alright, so as you can see, we've gone ahead and put insulation in the cavities here, and all we did was we measured out these holes and just cut them with an X-Acto knife and cram the insulation in there, so it goes in nice and snug. And we're gonna glue a skin over top of this anyways, and once that's on there, none of this should move. Something I wanted to show here is even after we put the screws in and wiped up all the extra PL Premium glue here, we still had a bead come out of here. So I'm just going along with an X-Acto knife here and just cutting that bead out, because I want my interior skin to rest nice and flat there. I'll take a second to explain why the walls went on incomplete. We were going to run some wiring through those cavities and put in insulation and stuff like that, but we decided against that. We're going to run all the wiring through the ceiling. So if I were to do this again, I'd put the interior skin on that wall before putting it up. It'd be a little bit easier, but maybe next time. I'm going to take some of this off and just see how it goes, I guess, and make a mess and try not to hurt anybody. So, yeah. Is this stupid? Maybe? I don't know. That's all right. That works. Yeah, that looks like a nice cut. I like that.